Hey, great job on downloading that one-page License Navigator cheat sheet. You should receive that email in about a couple minutes straight to your inbox. In the meantime, I want you to watch this video right here so I can show you exactly how people just like you is using the same strategy to actually get their firearm license and build the firearm knowledge they need to understand the firearm business. This will alleviate the frustration of there being no place for you to prepare for the exam or even to find practice materials to even study for the exam. And if you don't have a business, I'll show you how you can qualify another company. And just so you know you're in the right place, this is the exact system we use to help current fire alarm technicians, current security and IT professionals looking to get into the fire alarm business, and also aspiring entrepreneurs that's ready to start a fire alarm company. This system has helped them secure their fire alarm license and actually start a fire alarm company and successfully run a fire alarm business. And this ain't no theory. This is all what any service-based business out there is doing, and this is what's actually working right now. As you already may know, obtaining your fire alarm license can be tough. It could also be challenging, but there's no one on the market out there actually giving you the step-by-step process to actually get your fire alarm license. So I'm here to alleviate all the confusion and frustration for you. And every day I hear questions like, what type of license do I need to get a fire alarm business? How do I actually get my license? And what type of continuing education do I need to keep my license active? The truth of the matter is most entrepreneurs fail to get their fire alarm license because they can't find a place to prepare for their fire alarm license. They can't find a place to actually download or either get practice materials to take the exam. And they're not even sure if they need a business or not to actually get their fire alarm license. If this sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. These struggles come from a lack of clarity and no step-by-step process to get you from one point to the next. That's why I created the License Navigator, to simplify the process to help you get your license faster than ever. So here's how it works. Step one, we're gonna do some research and find out what the state licensing requirements are. Step two, I'm gonna show you where you can get practice material, how you can prepare and actually pass the exam. In step three, I'm gonna show you how you can stay compliant and keep your license active. And this is just step two of the fire alarm business blueprint, the clearest, most proven system to help you build a successful fire alarm company. So what's inside the fire alarm business blueprint? We help each client and we guide them through three key growth stages. Step one is the foundation building. We use the structure selector to help you set up a strong business foundation. You follow the License Navigator to secure your fire alarm license, and you can protect your business with the Insurance Strategist framework. Stage two is the growth strategies, where you will learn how to become a market monster to boost your sales and grow your business. You'll also learn how to get vendor credit and learn how to become certified as a minority business enterprise. And the third stage is the expansion opportunities, where you will learn how to master government contracts, become a brand architect, and learn how to fund your business so you can grow and scale it to the next level. If you're serious about gaining a crystal clear step-by-step process to getting your fire alarm license, then I suggest you book a call with us today. In just 30 minutes, we'll find out what's holding you back, map out a step-by-step process for you to get your fire alarm license, and also see if you're a good fit for the fire alarm business blueprint. This opportunity is only for people who's driven to innovate and improve, open to collaboration and feedback, and also passionate about technology, entrepreneurship, and especially fire alarm. If this sounds like you, then click the link below to book your free strategy session call today. I look forward to speaking with you.